YouTube, we back at it with a comb over drop fade. First we get our spray bottle, then we spraying the hair down, giving that clean look so we can easily get to our scissor over comb. Client said he want like a half an inch cut off the top to an inch. Now we're gonna blow dry the hair and get ready for this fade. I start here with my 3.5. Just to create my first guidelines. And then right here I go on with the number 8 double magnetic guard for the cordless masters. Just debulking the top where that comb over meets that fade. And here we're using a fade down system. So now we're down on a 6 right now. I know we didn't skip the 7. We just gonna do scissor over comb with the thinning shears for the 7. It's easy. The key is just being completely consistent. Down to my 3. And as you can see, that first guideline, I put it in with that 3.5 and started to blend out. Now I'm here with the 2, just getting that extra, debulking that guideline. As you can see, I'm just using the edges, trying to keep it consistent completely around the head. Now right here I'm in with the 1. And that blend is starting to get blurry. I see I forgot to change my ISO setting on my camera because it keep going light to dark, light to dark. You see, as I just continue with the trigger work with the 1 guard, now we go with that 0 just to complete this blend. This fade starting to really come alive. Now we gonna go with the masters just to get that super clean transition. this is when we get that blend completely transitional. So we go in with our thinning shears and our comb. See, that thing came alive. Now our client wanted to keep the front, so we didn't give him a line across the front. We just hit the vertical bars and the C cups. Now we go in and hit him with that sauce of Tune 45, no drip. And there it is. Clean. You know I made the beat.